If you're watching this, then you're already on social media. So you've taken the first step. But do you have any idea what you're doing on social media, especially when it comes to promoting yourself as a travel writer or photographer or blogger? Do you know how to connect with destinations, with hotels, restaurants, attractions? Do you know how to connect with editors on social media? Do you know how to make social media work for you? Probably not, right? And that's why I am hosting an all day quick start social media workshop. Even if you're already on Facebook, maybe you've been using it to keep in touch with friends, with family, but you don't know how to use it like a writer. You don't know how to create a business page. You don't know how to use Instagram and Twitter as a writer or photographer so that you can connect with the right people and start getting freebies, getting comp trips, connecting with editors, and getting new assignments. If you've been listening to all this and you've been thinking, yes, you know me, you understand me, then I want you to come to my social media workshop because I'm going to talk to you about how to get started on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and talk about what to post, when to post it, what hashtags are, and how you should be using them, and how you can ensure that you're growing your following, you're growing it the right way, and you're connecting with these folks that you want to connect with so that you can get freebies, comps, assignments. You can make social media work for you. It'll work even while you're sleeping. That's what I love about social media is I can get in a consistent posting schedule, and then while I'm sleeping, while I'm traveling, my social media is still out there working for me, and I'm getting direct messages and emails from destinations, from hotels, from attractions asking me to come, inviting me to come for free. Don't you want that too? I bet you do. So I would love to have you join me on November 14th for my Quick Start social media workshop. I hope to see you there.